children, welcome to our video 6th Standard Physics. This is Mrs. Manonmani P, MSc BA, Department of Physics. Happy morning kids. Yes. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 5, light. Now we have to discuss about learning objectives. Today we have to discuss about rectilinear propagation of light and the pinhole camera. Let's see. Yes children, what do you mean by rectilinear? The rectilinear meaning is straight. Yes. The rectilinear propagation of light means the property of light traveling in straight line. You know children, always light travels in straight line. So that property we have to say rectilinear propagation of light. Just imagine children, now we are in a dark place. We shine a torch on a dark night. What can you observe? Yes, we will see that the beam of light produced by torch travels straight into darkness, isn't it? Have you observed that? Yes, this observation shows that light travels in straight lines. Always light travels in straight lines. So this property only rectilinear propagation of light. Yes children, have you seen this? The beams of searchlight at the airport and then lighthouses in the sea shows that light travels in a straight line. You know children, this is a lighthouse. Yes. Always what can you observe? Light travels in a straight line. A beam of light comes from the projection room of a cinema hall, falls on the screen. You know children, just imagine now we are in the cinema theater. What we have to do? You know children, on the back side some beam of light comes from the projection room. You know, from this what we can understand, light travels in a straight lines. Yes. Now we have to see about speed of light. Speed, you know, light travels in a straight line with a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Yes children, have you seen this? Yes. This thunder and then lightning. You know, lightning only travels very fast. Yes. Now it's a time for activity time. Yes children, aim to show that light travels in a straight line. What are the materials we required? Candle and the rubber tube. Yes, procedure children. Now take a lighted candle and place it on a table. You know children, this is a straight rubber tube. Take a rubber tube and look through it at the flame. First stretch the tube straight. You know children, this is a straight rubber tube and look. What can you observe? Can you see the flame? Yes. Now bend the tube and look through it. Can you see the flame? Yes. What do you observe? Yes. Here not seeing the flame correctly. So the first one only, the straight. You know, the light travels in a straight line. What is the best shape of the rubber tube that helps to you see the flame? Yes, straight rubber tube only. We have to see the light clearly. From this we understood light travels in straight line. We see the light only when the tube is straight. This shows light travels in a straight line. Yes, now we have to discuss about another one activity time. Another one activity children. Are you all ready? Yes. Aim to show that light travels in a straight line. Yes, what are the materials required? First of all, we have to take a candle, 3 rectangular cardboards and then molding clay. Yes, clay and then candle and then cardboards. Yes children, here this is a procedure given. Now we have to take the 3 cardboards of the same size. Here you have to take a candle and light it. Take a candle with the wick at about the same height as the hole in the upright cardboard. You know children, the cardboard should be upright and you have to keep the candle also upright position, and you have to put the holes. Mount the candle and light it. Adjust the 3 cardboards 1, 2 and 3 in a line. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Now you have to put a hole also. Now check if all the 3 holes are in a straight line. You can use a candle and thread to check it. Can you see the light through cord 3? Now move any cord about 1 centimeter. Yes, children, from this what we understood, always light travels in straight line. This property of light is called rectilinear propagation of light. Now we have to discuss about pinhole camera. Children, how many of you like camera? Yes, this is a pinhole camera. Children, there are two types of pinhole camera. One is natural pinhole camera, another one man-made pinhole camera. First of all, we have to discuss about natural pinhole camera. You can observe pinhole camera effect in everyday life. In everyday life, we have to observe this. How? Yes, on a sunny day, pass under a tree covered with a large number of leaves. You can see bright circular patches of light on the ground. You know, tree kadila paathirukingla andha mari. Yes. So these bright circular patches of light are the pinhole images of the sun. The small holes between the cluster of leaves act as pinholes, and light coming from the sun passes through these natural pinholes. In this case, sun is the object. The tiny gap between the leaves of the pinhole, sun was the object, and then tiny gap between the leaves, tiny gap, these are all the pinholes, and the ground acts as the screen. So this is a natural pinhole camera. Now we have to discuss about man-made pinhole camera. Yes, children, the pinhole camera works on the principle that light travels in a straight line. If we look into the pinhole camera, by keeping our eye at its back side, we will see an image of the tree on the screen. This is because some of the light coming from the tree passes through the pinhole to form an image on the screen. I will explain later, children. This is a picture for this is a pinhole camera. You know, we have to take one object or a tree vechukrom. So here idanoda ray, here it is inverted image. So this is a x means x dash, and then y means here y dash. Always light travels in straight line, you know. So here we have to get the inverted image. A ray of light coming from point A of the tree passes through the pinhole in the straight line to form an image at point A dash on the screen. Yeah, children, so this is the object means, here this is the point A. It comes to travel through the straight line, you know. So here that image is really inverted image. So this is only A dash. Yes, this is a A and this is a A dash, and here is a B and this is a B dash. Another ray of light coming from point B of the tree also passes through pinhole. Here we have to take a cardboard box and put it in the hole in the center. I will explain later. Now we have to see in the straight line to form an image at a point B dash on the screen. Yeah, children, this is also pinhole photography works. Yes. Yes, children, here see this is a balloon. Here we have to take a balloon that light rays. This is a pinhole. We have to put a hole in the cardboard box. Yes, and then this is a here tracing paper inside. We have to put it inside that. So at the time we have to get the image obtained on the screen is inverted image, upside down image. In the same way, each point on the tree AB form its corresponding image on the screen between points A dash and B dash. In this way, the image A dash B dash of the tree AB is produced on the screen. Yeah, children, now we have to discuss about characteristics of the image formed by a pinhole camera. What type of image is formed by a pinhole camera? First of all, children, this is a pinhole camera. We have to take a cardboard box and then put one hole inside on the two cardboard box we need. So here put one hole, circular hole, you know. So that is only pinhole. Here we have to take an object, So this is A, this is B. We have to keep a name. Yes, this A, this object obtained on the screen, that is a really inverted. So A means here B dash, here B means A dash. What can you observe? Real and inverted image. Inverted na thalagila theriyiradu. The image in a pinhole camera is inverted as compared to the object. The image in a pinhole camera is real. The image in a pinhole camera is of the same color as the object. In color irukko adha inge varum, but we have to get the real and inverted image. Yes, now we have to discuss about some factors on which the size of the image produced depends. That the size of the image also we have to adjust, means we have to get the image in different sizes. The size of the image formed by a pinhole camera depends on the distance of the object from the camera. Based on the distance of the object, and then the size of image formed by a pinhole camera can be smaller than the object. Object oda smaller irukkalam, and then equal to the object or bigger than the object. Farther the object ரொம்ப தூரமாக வச்சுட்டே இருந்தோம்னா ஆப்ஜெக்ட் பின்ஹோல் கேமராலேருந்து we have to get the smaller image. Smaller will be its image. Yes, now we have to do pinhole camera. It's an activity time, children. To make a pinhole camera, what are the materials required? Cardboard shoebox, children. You have to take 2, and then tracing paper. Have you seen tracing paper? Yeah, this is a tracing paper. Yes, children, procedure. First of all, we have to take 2 cardboard box, closed cardboard box, name A, and make a small hole. அதுக்கு இடையில என்ன பண்ணோம்? Put a small hole in the middle of front side of the cardboard box A with a pin. Cut out a square hole of about 5 cm in the back side of the cardboard box. அதே cardboard boxல you have to do in one cardboard box itself. அதே cardboard boxல back side you have to put a square hole and facing the pinhole, and cover this open square hole with the tracing paper. Back side you have to keep it with the tracing paper. Yes, take another similar cardboard box. Now we have to take another cardboard box which is slightly bigger than the first box A. Modal box oda you have to take another bigger box. Cut open the front and back walls of this box. Front to back you have to cut, children, and now slide this hollow box B over the pinhole camera box A at the tracing paper end, so that the tracing paper part is fully inside the bigger box. That bigger box, the tracing paper part is fully inside the bigger box. Yeah, children, now our pinhole camera is ready. Hold the pinhole camera and keep your eye behind the open end of box B. You have to open it up box B, there you have to keep your eye and look at the distant object. Now move the bigger box forward or backward till you get an image of the object on the tracing paper screen. Yes, now you have to get the image now. That is a real and inverted image you have to get up. Yes, children, I hope you understood that lesson clearly, this topic clearly. Thank you, children. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Have a nice day.